Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking chicken legs, oven baked chicken legs. So I'm going to just make some cuts like this to make sure the seasoning and the chicken is going to cook fast. So just cuts like that. So I've washed my chicken legs, washed and cleaned them, and now I'm just cutting. Alright, now that is cut, I'm going to place them in a bowl. So now I'm going to make my spices, mix my spices. I've got black pepper, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of mixed herbs, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, some onion powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. So I'm going to just mix these guys, just mix and just make sure it's nice, and I'm just mixing through. Alright, this is mixed through. So bring back my chicken. So what I'll do is I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm adding olive oil. Just add olive oil. So now I'm just going to sprinkle my mixed spices just all over the chicken, and make sure I'm going to mix this thoroughly. Now I'm going to place my chicken wings, my chicken legs in a baking tray. In a baking tray. Alright, looks good. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on the chicken legs. In the oven, 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes.